Okay, got the humidifier here, running through the filter access right in there to a homemade extension cord running out to the front of the drain for the AC. Into the closet, going back into the air handler to the line sets, following back up by your fan, going into the access to the components in the air handler, and as you see, the white breaks off into the ground, and the black, of course common, goes to one side of this humidifier relay sequencer. And on the other side of that, I have power, live power running from the L1, the line 1. On the bottom of that one, I have jumpers. The second sequencer behind it is the fan relay, fan sequencer. Well, I just basically grabbed one of the thermostat wires and threw an interrupter wire into it and spaded it to 24 volts and let it continue all the way through. And then for the other side, you see it's just jumping off the other end of the sequencer for the 24 volts on the fan sequencer. Those back there are heat sequencers. They have nothing to do with this. And once that 24 volts heats up and the thermal just pops, it connects these two, because right now it's just power going to that one. It's not going to that one. Once it heats up, it clicks and then power goes to the humidifier. Right now it says it's 70 in here. Clicked on. You want to hear the fan go. You should see an indicator light tick on right about here for this. There it goes. And we're going to see steam coming out. Yay! Alright. Now, I'm just going to do this manually. Reach the temperature. Let's say it's happy. And once that disc cools down,